I have two very discontinued flavors of Mountain Dew. And the reason for that is because I was making a bunch of Halo drinks where Gamer Fuel is iconic. You can't really think of Halo without thinking of that like bright red cherry Gamer Fuel. It's 2026. These expired in 2025 and haven't been on shelves since 2024. Why don't I teach you guys the flavors that go into these so you can make Gamer Fuel whenever you want? This is like the OG Gamer Fuel from back in the day, I think like 2007 when Halo 3 was in its prime. This is what you were drinking. It was the same citrus cherry. As far as I can remember, it's basically the same flavor. It might be a little bit different, but they pretty much kept the formula the same. I mean, Mountain Dew is obviously gonna change over the years, but they've done a pretty good job with Game Fuel. Now, I don't remember if there was another flavor outside of the citrus cherry from back in the day, but now we have this Citrus Blackberry, and honestly, they're both pretty good, even being like a year and a half expired. Lacking a little carbonation, but it's got that like bright citrusy cherry flavor. Much better than Code Red, if I'm being honest. And that's just like a nice citrus blackberry. These are great. Obviously, you can't get them anymore. So how do you make them? Let me show you. The flavors on the Blackberry are a citrus blackberry, blackberry raspberry flavor. Now the citrus is coming from the original Mountain Dew, but that's not enough for me to completely omit any citrus. We're actually gonna be using orange peels. I think that's gonna go a long way, and it's gonna make it so these syrups aren't just for Mountain Dew, you can use them in cocktails. So I'm gonna grab about 5 blackberries, 5 raspberries, and then let's add the orange peel without getting the pith. You don't want that, it'll make it just too bitter. But let's peel a whole orange. So that's good for that one. Now for the cherry, obviously we're grabbing cherry, but I'm gonna use whole real cherries. I felt like I could use like grenadine or something, but it just wouldn't be the same if we're being honest. I wanna use the real stuff. So I'm gonna do 5 cherries and it's gonna be extremely messy. Now again, we're gonna try and get as much orange zest from one orange as possible. All right, now is where it starts getting easy. All we gotta do is put about 1/2 cup of sugar on here. Now, technically you're supposed to do equal parts, but honestly, I think everyone has different tastes. Just add more sugar if you need it, and if you need less, take out less next time, but I don't think that's ever true for any Mountain Dew fan. First, I'm gonna muddle the cherry and the peels together. You definitely wanna make sure this mixes as much as possible. One down. Let's start on the citrus blackberry and black raspberry. My goal is obviously to make something that tastes as similar to the real Gamer Fuel as possible. But that being said, I also want it to taste really good. And I'm a Mountain Dew lover, but I don't know that Mountain Dew uses the freshest ingredients. So I have a feeling mine's gonna be a little bit more refreshing. That being said, I still want it to taste like the Gamer Fuel. I don't wanna drink some non-artificial stuff. I just want it to be good quality. And that's it. It is that simple to make these syrups. We're gonna go ahead and toss a couple lids on them. You can refrigerate these, but you don't even have to do that. You can just set this on the counter for 24, 48 hours or however long you want, and you will get syrups when we're all said and done. So see you guys in a couple days or like 3 seconds for you. Welcome back. It's actually been far more than 24 to 48 hours. It's been an entire week that I let these syrups infuse. All we're gonna do is carefully strain this into our bottle. So what I like to do is take some hot water and mix it all around in the container. I'd say don't do more than like 1/2 cup. We're gonna shake it. There's still a little bit of sugar that's caked to the side of the container. We're just gonna make sure we get every drop for this. All right, so there is our citrus cherry syrup. And now for our citrus blackberry raspberry jazz. This time I'm gonna pour the hot water in first and like kind of shake it all together. Why do we even use artificial dyes if this is the natural color? That's crazy. Now, the citrus blackberry isn't looking as incredible as the citrus cherry, but let's go ahead and add some purple dye to this one in the true Mountain Dew spirit. You know, who doesn't love a little food dye in their insides? I have just about every color food dye, so I'm going with a little bit of violet. With how deep the natural color is, and then we're gonna mix it with Mountain Dew, I wonder how it'll come out, but I'm super happy with the smell so far. Once we add this to the original Mountain Dew, I have a feeling this will look pretty spot on. Now, of course, I consider myself a bit of a mixologist, which is somewhat pretentious to say, but something I love to say. And this really feels like we're doing like an experiment here. I love recreating old Mountain Dew flavors. I mean, if there's any sodas or energy drinks that you want me to recreate, I think I am the guy to make a brand new syrup for you guys. Let's get an ounce of the citrus cherry in here. The color is incredible. Now, because we already added a very sugary syrup to the mix, we are going to do 5 ounces of sugar-free Mountain Dew. unless you don't mind a little bit of diabetes, I highly, highly suggest that. Now we're gonna start with 6 ounces and see how it tastes, leave some room to add more. And now we're gonna do an ounce of our Citrus Blackberry. Again, 6 ounces. Now, a key part when it comes to mixing sodas, you actually don't want to stir super aggressively. You'll lose some carbonation. And wow, we are almost spot on with that color. I would say theirs might be a little bit deeper red, but only just barely. Let's hope we have the same results for this one. I mean, honestly, it's not as purple, but the color's not the most important part. Let's try the Citrus Cherry Gamer Fuel. Whoa, okay. That's my real reaction. You guys know I'm not very over the top. I think I'm more passionate about Mountain Dew than anything else in my life. I think this is spot on. I think I nailed this one. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10 as far as replicating the original. Theirs is just a little bit more cherry than mine was, but theirs is like the fake cherry, where mine is, we used real ripe cherries. So it was totally different. This is incredible, wow. All right, this is our Citrus Blackberry Gamer Fuel. Actually, this one's really good, but I think the problem that I kind of sensed when we were smelling the actual syrups, it's too refreshing for a Mountain Dew. Like, a Mountain Dew tastes artificial when you're drinking it. It doesn't help that this is like a 1.5 years expired. Let's see. When did this actually expire? April 14th, 2025. It's 2026, well into it. I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. It's absolutely delicious and it would work great in cocktails. If you're looking for a 1-to-1 replica of the Citrus Blackberry Gamer Fuel, I didn't quite nail it. If I was redoing this, it's honestly hard to say what I'd change. I would honestly consider using a blackberry flavoring rather than the fresh stuff. Maybe that would help, because this one just doesn't taste as refreshing. And it's not just because they use fake stuff and this is expired. It's more to do with the fact that like a Mountain Dew just doesn't have that refreshing. They go for that like punchy, sugary, citrusy taste. So maybe we just need a little bit more citrus and like an artificial blackberry flavor and we'd kind of nail it. But wow, I mean, both are really good. If you see my drink videos, I will be using these inside of these cans because these are my last 2 Gamer Fuels. I'm gonna keep the cans so that I can keep using it in videos because people go absolutely nuts when they see that I still have unopened Gamer Fuel. But I really just throw some food dye in the syrups and I, refill it myself. So, little secret between me and you. I mean, I'm definitely gonna crush this. This is so good. It's just like the original, a little more cherry and we'd be there, but man, if you really need that, I think you should try this as it is first. If you really want that artificial cherry, I say throw some grenadine in here, but I don't know. I don't think you'll want to go back. This is like the most incredible take on Mountain Dew I've ever had. I mean, that's really all there is to this video, guys. I made these 2 incredibly good Mountain Dew Gamer Fuel flavors that I hope they bring back again. I mean, how can we not just have Citrus Cherry Gamer Fuel on deck year-round? This should replace Code Red, in my humble opinion. But if there's any other flavors you guys want to see me recreate and bring back, let me know. I'm sure Whiteout's going to be going soon, so I'm saving a couple cans for when it's completely gone, so I can teach you how to remake it. But yeah, let me know. Any sodas, energy drinks, whatever it is, if it's discontinued and you want it back, I'm your guy. See you guys in the next video.